Have you ever wondered how you could grow your money without complicating your life? Would you like to know a simple and effective method to quickly increase your savings? Today, I will reveal 3 foolproof steps that will help you multiply your money in a surprising way. You don't need to be a financial expert. Just follow these practical tips that will change your life. Are you ready to discover the secret to achieving financial freedom? Let's get started. Let's begin with index funds. Imagine being able to invest in the best companies in the market without having to worry about choosing just one. Index funds allow you to do exactly that. But what exactly are they? An index fund is a type of investment fund that replicates the performance of a specific market index, like the index of the 500 most important companies in the United States. This means that instead of investing in a single company, your money is spread across many, automatically giving you a diversified portfolio. And you know what's best? These funds usually have very low fees because they don't require active management by an expert. Now, you might wonder, why should I invest in index funds? Here are 3 powerful reasons. First, diversification. By investing in an index fund, you are diversifying your money across hundreds or even thousands of companies. This reduces risk because you're not relying on the success or failure of a single company. If one company doesn't do well, the others can make up for that loss. Second, low cost. Index funds typically have much lower fees than actively managed funds. This means that more of your gains stay with you instead of going to pay fees. Third, historical performance. Over time, index funds have shown to offer solid and consistent returns. In fact, many experts agree that trying to outperform the market is very difficult, and that, in most cases, index funds achieve better results than active managers. Does it seem complicated to get started? Not at all. Today, there are many online platforms that allow you to invest in index funds with just a few clicks. Some of the most popular ones are Vanguard, Fidelity, and Schwab. These platforms are easy to use and let you start with very small amounts of money. For example, imagine you decide to invest $100 a month in an index fund. Over time, thanks to compound interest, your investment can grow significantly. It's like putting your money to work for you. And it's not just theory. Let's look at some real examples. John Bogle, the founder of Vanguard and a pioneer of index funds, demonstrated that investing in these funds can be one of the most effective ways to accumulate wealth in the long term. Many ordinary people have achieved impressive results by investing in index funds. People like you and me, who have seen their savings grow consistently without having to keep an eye on the market every day. Remember, index funds are a powerful tool for any investor, regardless of their level of experience. They are simple, effective, and accessible to everyone. If you're looking for a safe and reliable way to grow your money, investing in index funds is, without a doubt, one of the best options. The next step to quickly grow your money is to automate your savings. Sounds simple, right? But don't underestimate the power of this method. Automation can transform your finances without you having to do practically anything. How does it work? Automating your savings means setting up automatic transfers from your main account to a savings or investment account. This is done regularly, for example, every time you receive your salary. This way, you consistently save money without having to think about it twice. Why is this method so effective? Here are 3 key reasons. First, it eliminates temptation. When you automate your savings, the money is automatically set aside before you have the chance to spend it. It's an excellent way to ensure you're always saving, even if you're not very disciplined with money. Second, it makes saving a habit. By setting up automatic savings, you're creating a healthy financial habit without effort. Over time, you won't even notice the money being set aside, and your savings will grow without you having to do anything. Third, it takes advantage of compound interest. The sooner you start saving, the more time your money has to grow thanks to compound interest. Compound interest is like magic. Your money earns interest, and that interest earns more interest. Automating your savings maximizes this effect because you ensure you're always adding to your savings or investment fund.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
How can you start automating your savings? It's easier than you think. Here are some practical steps. Choose a savings or investment account. Decide where you want your money to go. It could be a high-yield savings account, an investment account on a platform, or even an emergency fund in a separate account. Set up automatic transfers. Most banks and investment platforms allow you to set up automatic transfers from your main account. Decide how much you want to transfer and how often. Even a small amount, like $50 a month, can add up over time. Use automatic saving apps. There are many apps available that make automatic saving easy. Apps like Acorns, Digit, and Capital connect to your bank account and round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, saving the difference. These small amounts add up quickly and can become a significant sum. Success stories of people who have automated their savings are abundant. Take Jane, a teacher who always had trouble saving. By automating a small part of her salary each month, she was able to save for a 6-month emergency fund in just 2 years, without feeling like she was sacrificing her quality of life. Another inspiring story is Carlos, a young professional who wanted to invest but never found the right time. He set up an automatic transfer of $100 a month to an index fund, and in 5 years, he saw his investment grow significantly thanks to compound interest. Automating your savings is a simple but powerful strategy. It doesn't require much time or effort, but it can have a huge impact on your financial well-being. It's a way to ensure you're always moving toward your financial goals, no matter how busy you are or what's happening in your life. So, if you haven't done it yet, take a few minutes today to set up your automatic savings. You'll be surprised at how easy it is and how quickly you start seeing results. The third and final step to quickly grow your money is to diversify your investments. What does it mean to diversify? Simply, don't put all your eggs in one basket. By diversifying, you reduce risk because your money is spread across different types of assets. Why is diversification so important? Here are 3 powerful reasons. First, it reduces risk. If you invest all your money in a single stock and that stock drops, you lose a lot. But if your money is spread across several stocks, bonds, and other assets, a loss in one area can be offset by gains in another. Second, it takes advantage of different growth opportunities. Some assets may grow faster than others at different times. Having a diversified mix allows you to take advantage of these opportunities without having to predict which will be the next big investment. Third, long-term stability. A diversified portfolio tends to be more stable and less volatile. This gives you peace of mind and helps you stay invested for the long term, which is key to seeing your money grow significantly. How can you diversify your investments? Here are some practical strategies. Invest in different asset classes. This includes stocks, bonds, real estate, and perhaps some mutual funds or index funds. Each type of asset has its own risk and return profile. Use diversified funds. Index funds and mutual funds are great for diversification because they invest in a wide range of assets. With a single fund, you can have exposure to hundreds of different companies. Consider geographic diversification. Don't put all your money in one country. Invest in international markets to take advantage of global growth and reduce the risk associated with economic issues in a single region. For example, Maria, a nurse, decided to diversify her portfolio by investing in a global index fund and real estate through a real estate investment trust. In a few years, she saw her investments grow steadily, providing her with greater financial security. Diversifying your investments is essential to protect your money and maximize its growth. It's a simple but effective strategy that anyone can implement, regardless of their experience level. And there you have it, 3 simple and powerful steps to quickly grow your money. Now it's your turn to take action and put these tips into practice. Remember, every small step you take today can have a huge impact on your financial future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content that will help you achieve financial freedom. Share this video with your friends and family so they can benefit from these tips too. Leave us your comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences and any questions you have. See you next time, and keep growing your money. See you in the next video.